Hey, it's Maria Eves here. I'm a landscape photographer and today I wanted to talk about the rules of composition and why they suck. Now don't get me wrong, I do use the rules of composition quite often and I think it is important for every photographer to learn the rules of composition because it does help you create amazing images sometimes. But my problem with the rules of composition are that when you're just always thinking about the rules of composition, then it limits your creativity. And sometimes I find myself looking through the lens and I'm always trying to line my horizon up with the third. I feel like it needs to be balanced out with just letting your mind free and using your own creativity and not worrying about the rules of composition, because that can be where the magic happens. That can be where you create your most amazing photo ever because you've just broken all the rules and it's something no one's ever seen and it like catches their attention. So at the end of the day, yes, learn the rules of composition, Google it, go on YouTube, whatever. I will be making a video about the rules of composition probably soon. But in the meantime, if you are interested in learning more about landscape photography, I've got a free guide for beginner landscape photographers that is in the description below if you want to go grab it. Totally free, gift to you. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video below.